How can we use adjectives without using a noun? Let's find out. Normally, we use adjectives to describe a noun. People is a noun. Rich people have a lot of money. Rich people are a group. To describe a group of people with a shared quality, we can use an adjective without using a noun. We just add the. Then we can delete the noun. The rich have a lot of money. Now we have a plural expression. We can say that poor people are the opposite of rich people. Poor people have less money than rich people, or the poor have less than the rich. This is a simple, direct expression and it sounds very natural. British people drink a lot of tea. We can delete people, add the British drink a lot of tea.